Hello, today we've got a 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. 4-speed, 350 LT1. Really a beautiful car. I'd have it outside, but it's wintertime here in Michigan. See that beautiful green paint, the white stripes, rally wheels, painted to match. Get the best shot I can. Got the trunk open here so we can take a look. Beautiful trunk. Beautiful chrome. Dual exhaust. Really straight up the sides. A lot of fun to drive. Open these doors up, take a look at the interior. Headliner looks good. Seats, dash, carpet kit all look great. Take a look here on the driver's side. There's the VIN number. Showing 51,000 miles. No documentation on if that's original or not. Remote mirror. Shot under the hood. This is a GM Canada documented car. You can see this documents on our website, showdownauto.com. Muncie close ratio, 4-speed transmission, Hurst shifter, Edelbrock aluminum E Street USA heads, correct winner's intake, Holley dual feed carburetor, correct snorkel air cleaner, aluminum radiator added, factory air cleaner, aluminum finned valve covers, aluminum pulleys, chrome alternator, ceramic coated headers, dual Flowmaster exhaust, gauge pack with 150 mile per hour speedometer, AM/FM upgraded radio, 373 posi, power steering, power disc brakes, base coat, clear coat paint, 15-inch rallies, great car. Check us out at showdownauto.com. Real quick, I'll take a video of it starting. Can't take it for a test drive here on a winter day in Michigan, though. All right, here we go. We'll give this a quick start. Not fume everybody out. Look at that.